Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix your Tesla Autopilot not working. So if you're actually facing issues with your Tesla Autopilot, you need to first consider the environment, okay? Because if you have poor visibility from heavy rain or snow or fog, also, extremely hot or cold temperatures, as well as direct or bright headlights, what happens is this can impact performance. So you want to ensure there's clear conditions for optimal operation. You also need clear lane markings. So if there's any winding or narrow roads or faded lines, that can also be a factor. And also make sure you actually check your vehicle. So if there's any obstructions like mud or ice or even snow on the cameras or the sensors, that can disable autopilot. So make sure you clean your car and the sensors properly, free of any debris. That should fix your issue. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.